Okay, today we're going to continue on with lesson 2 and talk about subtracting polynomial expressions. And this is very similar to adding. The only difference is you have to be careful with your sign. So notice how I rewrite this. And I only have to do this if there's a minus sign in between my parentheses. I don't have to do it if there's addition sign. My first group is going to stay the same. But for my second group, when I have a minus sign there, I'm actually distributing a negative. So that k to the third becomes a minus k to the third. Then minus 2k to the fourth becomes a plus 2k to the fourth. And the plus 7 becomes a minus 7. Once I've done that, everything else is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my like terms. I have a k to the fourth here. So negative 1k to the fourth and a positive 2k to the fourth will give me 2 minus 1 is 1k to the fourth. Okay, you can put the 1 in front there. There's nothing wrong with that, but I typically don't put it there and you won't see it a lot of times. Okay, then 5k to the third minus 1k to the third. 5 minus 1 gives me 4, and it's positive, so I have a plus sign, k to the third. And then I can combine my, use a crayon. I can combine my 4 and my minus 7. So 4 minus 7 gives me negative 3. Okay, so again, the only difference is that we need to distribute the negative if there is a minus sign in between the two terms. So first group stays the same. Second group, it changes all of their signs. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight my like terms. So I'm going to start with my p to the fourth and p to the fourth. So 3 minus 5 gives me negative 2 p to the fourth. Okay, I'm going to look at my squared. So 3p squared and 7p squared. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So positive 10p squared. And then I have negative 6p and negative 3p. So negative 6 and negative 3 gives me negative 9p. So combine the coefficients, add or subtract them, keep the variable and the exponent is the same. Go ahead and try these next two on your own. So hit pause and then come back to check your answers when you're done. Okay, so for this one, you should have 7x to the fourth once you change your signs, minus 8x to the third, minus 2x squared, plus 12x. Okay, and then this next one is actually an addition problem, so hopefully you caught that. 1 plus 5 is 6v to the third, plus 8v squared, plus 12. Okay, go ahead and do your practice problems here, and that's all you're doing for today. Tomorrow, since we do not have a live session, you're going to go ahead and work through the next page in your packet, which is a practice of the two lessons, or you can go on to Realize and do the practice on Realize. It's completely up to you, and then you're going to take a quiz. Please let me know if you have any questions. If not, have a great day.